The Seven Principles of Kwanzaa. Day 1, Umoja, unity. To strive for and to maintain unity in the family, community, nation, and race. The Seven Principles of Kwanzaa. Day 2, Kujichagulia, self-determination. To define and name ourselves, as well as to create and speak for ourselves. The Seven Principles of Kwanzaa. The Seven Principles of Kwanzaa. Day 3, Ujima, collective work and responsibility. To build and maintain our community together and make our brothers and sisters' problems our problems and to solve them together. The Seven Principles of Kwanzaa. Day 4, Ujama, cooperative economics. To build and maintain our own stores, shops and other businesses and to profit from them together. The Seven Principles of Kwanzaa. Day 5, Nia, purpose. To make our collective vocation the building and developing of our community in order to restore our people to their traditional greatness. Seven Principles of Kwanzaa. Day 6, Kumba, creativity. To do always as much as we can in the way we can in order to leave our community more beautiful and beneficial than we inherited it. The Seven Principles of Kwanzaa. Day 7, Imani, faith. To believe with all our hearts in our people and the righteousness and victory of our struggle. Black History Mini Docs wishes you the blessings of Kwanzaa this year and throughout your history.